Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, or you enjoyed it, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment. Those really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a long-range laser pointer. This is the box it's going to come in, and then once you open it up, of course, you are going to get the laser pointer itself. So this is a green light laser. You're also going to get a little user manual, but it's pretty self-explanatory. It's by a company called Cowjag, and why I got this is it's a great cat toy. Cats love laser pointers, and this is super bright, easy to see for them, and it's rechargeable, so it's great. But you can use it for presentations. It has a couple of interesting modes here. So it has this little adapter on it, and if you press this, it's going to create a kind of star pattern, and if you can change those stars by simply twisting it. So it just gives you kind of a different look, which can maybe be fun if you're taking this camping or something like that. But if you don't want to use that, like for me, I don't use it because I use it for the kitty cat. And so I just pull this off, and then you have just the standard little laser pointer. And like I said, it is super, super bright. So you don't have to make sure you don't shine this in somebody's eyes or your pet's eyes. But it's great because they can easily follow it, whether it's bright outside or nighttime, which is kind of the big thing about this, which is really, really nice about it. So it does have a super powerful laser, and it is really, really bright. As far as it has a nice battery on it, and it lasts a long time. I haven't been able to determine exactly how long it lasts, just because I use it very intermittently, and it's been a very long time since I've had to charge it, so it does last a very long time. But how you charge it up is you just unscrew the back here, and then there's a little USB. And that's it. So you just plug this into plug it into your computer or a USB outlet and whatnot, and it will charge up. And then there's a little hole right there, which with a little light in there that will show you that it is charging. But yeah, that's kind of the ins and outs of this thing. It's just a real simple device here. I have a little button right here. They do include a little plastic piece to keep you from accidentally hitting this if you keep it in a drawer or something. But if you're looking for a great cat toy, laser pointers are great. You can just sit on the couch and give your cat tons of entertainment, and I totally recommend it. But like I said, there's other uses, whether it's presentations and things like that. It's nice and bright and works great. So if you are in the market for a laser pointer, I do totally recommend this. And that's basically it. If there's something I didn't cover that you're curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. Be sure to check out the link in the description to see the current price point. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.